While fats sometimes get a bad rap, these fatty acids get all the praise. We noticed their interest by observing the Inuit of the Pakis, or the fishermen of the island of Okinawa in Japan. These populations, heavy consumers of fish and therefore of omega-3, are more protected from cardiovascular diseases. Studies show that those who have the most in their blood have a 90% lower risk of heart attack compared to those with the lowest rate. They also have lower blood pressure. Omega-3s also have an anti-inflammatory and protective effect on the brain, 47% less risk of developing dementia, or on vision, they help lower intraocular pressure and therefore the risk of glaucoma. Not to mention the benefits on skin, eye, or vaginal dryness. In short, being careful not to run out is real health insurance. According to the American specialist in the matter, Dr. William S. Harris, having 8 to 12% EPA the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids in the membranes of red blood cells offers optimal protection. A test is used to measure it. The Japanese, for example, are in the norm, probably because they eat a lot of seafood, but in France, the average is more around 4 to 6%. According to the National Health Security Agency, ANSES, only about 30% of the recommended intake of omega-3 is absorbed. And it gets even tougher as we get older, because we then have fewer enzymes to convert omega-3s into EPA, which requires consuming even more to reach the right dose. An increasing problem for heavy eaters of meat or sunflower oil-based products, especially processed products such as chips, ready-made meals, etc., because excess omega-6s compete with the good assimilation of omega-3s. The easiest way to make up for the deficit is to make sure you put 2 portions of fish per week on the menu, including at least 1 fatty fish. You can go up to 2 if you know you are in deficit. Favor the smallest, which are less contaminated, mackerel, sardines, herring, and only from time to time, but the larger ones on the menu, such as tuna and salmon. They directly provide EPA. Wild fish are generally a little richer in omega-3s than farmed fish, the food of which loses in nutritional quality. Also, think about sushi, if you like it, because the absence of cooking allows preserving a maximum of these fatty acids-sensitive fatty acids. Were you traumatized as a child by the spoonful of cod liver oil given out authoritatively at school and swallowed while blocking your nose? Forget this bad memory, it's no longer bitter to drink. The Norwegian brand Molars offers a lemon scent. And we now find them with an almost neutral taste to use in the Norwegian brand Molars offers a lemon scent. And we now find them with an almost neutral taste to use in vinaigrette, in homemade mayonnaise, or in a soup. It is by far the richest food in omega-3, with one big advantage, it also provides vitamin D, good for bones and immunity, which we also tend to lack. Always check the label for purity standards to limit heavy metal contamination.